whether there is water on Mars.
We should care that water's on Mars is so that if our population of humans expands to the point where we can't sustain them on Earth, we can move them somewhere else.
I think that we should care that there's water on Mars because it would bring a lot of new scientific discoveries for us to learn about, and there's so many things that we don't know about already, so I think it would be...
Is there life beyond Earth? In order to answer this question, we will have to travel right next door to Mars. Why Mars? Out of all the other planets, you might ask. It is the closest planet to Earth, like enough that we have. The events that have caused life to happen on Earth have happened naturally on Mars. Around 4 billion years ago, a meteorite had hit and exploded, causing two planets to emerge, Earth and Earth's twin, Mars. So is there a way we could possibly have life on Mars? We have not sent out astronauts to see if there has ever been life on Mars. But we do have 6 robots up there. 3 rovers and 3 orbiters, to be exact, which bring back a plethora of data, including that of goalies being on Mars, which raises the possibility of liquid water on the surface, which may lead to life. As of today, it is generally believed that Mars should in fact have water in its early history, in which snow and rain fell and created rivers, lakes, and oceans. Also, they have discovered vast quantities of water frozen beneath much of the Martian surface. Although this sounds grand, we still have limiting factors, such as 1. What has happened to the water on Mars? Mars is dry in the presence of opaline, which is a magnesium iron silicate that would decompose by water, while on the other hand, many other areas contain clay and or sulfates, which indicate the presence of liquid water on the surface. Number 2, sulfates. While the presence of sulfates bolsters the case for surface water, they present problems of their own. Some organisms on Earth can survive in acidic environments, but questions remain about the possibility of life forming under such conditions. 3, salts. The saltiness of the soil could be a major obstacle for life because it has been a major preservative since most organisms cannot live in highly salted water. And lastly, oxidizers. The Phoenix mission discovered pectoric. Although some organisms use pectoric, the chemical could be hostile to life. An example of pectoric is lithium pectoric, which decomposes exothermically to produce oxygen. It is used in oxygen candles on spacecraft, submarines, and in other situations where a reliable backup oxygen supply is needed.